Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the Tori English Podcast. I'm Lena, and I'm really happy you're here today.
And I'm Mike. It's great to have you with us, practicing English step by step.
Learning English doesn't have to be hard. Actually, it can be fun when you practice it in a real, practical way.
Exactly. So get comfortable, take a breath. Let's jump into today's conversation together.
So, Mike, today's topic is about time, right? Something many people struggle with daily?
Oh, yes. Time management is a big issue because people often feel busy but achieve very little.
I see. So they are active all day, but still feel they wasted time somehow.
Exactly. They check phones, scroll social media, and jump between tasks, but nothing really important gets finished.
That sounds familiar. I think many listeners might feel the same way right now.
Right. And that's why today we want to explore simple ways to stop wasting time every day.
Okay, so let's start simple. What does wasting time actually mean in daily life?
Good question. It means spending time on things that don't help your goals or improve your life.
So watching videos for hours without learning anything could be considered wasting time, right?
Yes, exactly. Especially if you plan to study, work, or rest properly but didn't follow through.
I see. So it's not about relaxing, but about losing control of how you use time.
That's right. Relaxing is important, but wasting time happens when you feel regret after finishing something.
Oh, that feeling is quite strong. Like you look back and think, what did I just do?
Yes, exactly that feeling. It often comes from doing things without thinking about your priorities first.
Priorities. That sounds important, but also a bit difficult for some people to understand clearly.
True, but simply, priorities are the things that matter most in your life right now.
Okay, so if someone wants to improve English, then practicing daily should be a priority, right?
Exactly. But many people say they want that, yet they spend hours doing other less important things.
Oh, I see. So the problem is not lack of time, but how they choose to use it.
Yes, that's a key idea. Everyone has the same 24 hours, but results are very different.
That's interesting. So successful people don't have more time, they just use it better.
Exactly. They focus on what matters most and they reduce activities that don't bring real value.
Hmm. So maybe the first step is to notice how we spend our time every day.
Yes, awareness is very important because you cannot improve something if you don't understand it first.
Right. So maybe people should track their time for one day just to see the truth.
That's a great idea. They might feel surprised because small habits take more time than expected.
Like checking messages again and again, even when there's nothing important to see.
Exactly. Those small actions seem short, but together they can take hours without any real benefit.
Wow. When you say it like that, it feels a bit scary, honestly.
Yes, but it's also good news because small changes can give you back a lot of time.
Oh, that sounds encouraging. So we don't need big changes, just small, smart decisions daily.
Exactly. For example, setting a clear goal before starting your day can guide your actions better.
Hmm. Like deciding, today I will practice speaking English for 20 minutes and actually doing it.
Yes, that's perfect. A clear goal helps you stay focused because you know what really matters today.
I see. So without a goal, people just follow whatever feels easy or fun at the moment.
Exactly, and often the easy choice is not the best choice for long-term progress or improvement.
That makes sense. I think we all choose comfort sometimes instead of what we really need.
Yes, that's human nature, but with practice, we can train ourselves to make better choices over time.
Hmm. So it's like building a habit, right? Slowly improving how we use our time each day.
Exactly. Habits are powerful because they shape your life without you needing to think too much.
Oh, that's interesting. So if you build good habits, you don't need strong motivation every day.
Yes, that's the key. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay and support your daily actions.
I see. So maybe people fail not because they are lazy, but because they don't have good habits.
That's a great point. Habits make things automatic, so you don't waste energy deciding every time.
Hmm. So what is one simple habit people can start today to stop wasting time?
One easy habit is planning your next day the night before, just for a few minutes.
Oh, that sounds simple. Just writing down a few important tasks before going to sleep.
Exactly. Then when you wake up, you already know what to do, so you don't feel lost.
I like that. It removes confusion in the morning, which is when people often waste time.
Yes, mornings are very important. A clear start can make your whole day more focused and productive.
I think many people check their phones first thing in the morning, though.
Yes, that's very common, but it can quickly lead to wasting time before your day even begins.
Oh, I see. So maybe avoiding the phone early in the morning could be helpful.
Exactly. Even just 30 minutes without your phone can give you a calm and focused start.
That sounds doable. Not easy, but definitely possible with some effort and practice.
Yes, small discipline can create big changes, especially when repeated every single day consistently.
So the idea is not to be perfect, but to improve little by little over time.
Exactly. Progress is more important than perfection because small steps lead to big results eventually.
I like that idea. It feels less stressful and more realistic for people with busy lives.
Yes, and when you see progress, it motivates you to continue and build even better habits.
Oh, that's true. Success creates motivation, not the other way around sometimes.
Exactly. So starting small is very powerful, even if it feels too simple at first.
So maybe the real problem is not time, but how we think about time.
That's a deep idea. Many people think they need more time, but actually they need better focus.
I see. So focusing on one thing at a time could reduce wasted time during the day.
Yes, multitasking often reduces quality and increases mistakes, so it actually wastes more time.
Oh, that's interesting. People think they are faster, but they are actually less effective.
Exactly. Doing one task well is better than doing many tasks poorly at the same time.
That's a strong message. Maybe we should all slow down a bit to be more efficient.
Yes, slowing down can help you think clearly and make better decisions throughout your day.
I like that. It sounds simple, but it could really change how we live daily.
Absolutely. And we're just getting started with this topic. There's still so much to explore.
Yes, I'm curious already. So, Mike, you said there are more habits to explore, right? I'm really interested now.
Yes, definitely. Another important habit is setting time limits because tasks can grow and take longer than expected.
Oh, I see. So, without limits, people may spend too much time on simple tasks, right?
Exactly. When you don't set a clear limit, you might keep adjusting or checking things again and again.
Like writing an email, then reading it many times, even when it is already good enough.
Yes, that's a perfect example. Sometimes done is better than perfect, especially for small daily tasks.
I like that idea. So, setting a time limit can push you to finish and move forward.
Exactly. It creates a sense of urgency so you stay focused and avoid unnecessary delays.
But what if someone feels stressed because of time limits? That can also happen sometimes.
Good point. The limit should be realistic, not too strict, so it supports you instead of causing pressure.
Oh, I see. So it's about balance, not forcing yourself too hard, but still staying focused.
Exactly. Balance is very important because too much pressure can reduce your performance and motivation.
That makes sense. So maybe people should test different time limits to find what works best.
Yes, that's a smart approach. Try, adjust, and learn because everyone has different energy and working styles.
Oh, that's interesting. So understanding yourself is also part of managing time better.
Absolutely. Self-awareness helps you choose the right methods instead of copying others without thinking carefully.
So what about breaks? Should people take breaks or is that wasting time too?
Good question. Breaks are very important because your brain needs rest to stay fresh and focused.
Oh, I see. So working nonstop is not actually effective, even if it feels productive at first.
Exactly. After some time, your focus drops, so you make more mistakes and work more slowly.
Hmm, that explains a lot. Sometimes I feel tired, but I still try to continue working.
Yes, many people do that, but a short break can help you return with better energy and clearer thinking.
I see. So how long should a good break be during the day?
It depends, but even 5 to 10 minutes can help, especially after focused work for about 30 minutes.
Oh, that sounds simple. So short breaks can actually improve how we use our time overall.
Exactly. It may feel like stopping, but it actually helps you work faster and better later.
Hmm, I like that idea. Rest is not wasting time, but part of using time wisely.
Yes, that's a great way to see it. Rest supports your productivity instead of reducing it.
Hmm, so we talked about planning, limits, and breaks. What else can help reduce wasted time?
Another key idea is removing distractions because they can break your focus again and again during tasks.
Oh, distractions like notifications, messages, or people talking around you while you try to focus.
Exactly. Even small interruptions can stop your flow, and it takes time to focus again afterwards.
Hmm, so maybe turning off notifications could be a simple but powerful change for many people.
Yes, that's one of the easiest steps. Reducing noise helps your mind stay calm and focused.
I see. So creating a quiet space can really improve how we use our time each day.
Absolutely. Your environment matters a lot because it can either support or discourage the concentration.
Hmm, that's true. Sometimes the problem is not us, but the place where we work or study.
Exactly. Changing your environment can be easier than changing your habits in some situations.
Oh, that's interesting. So small changes around us can create big results over time.
Yes, that's a powerful idea. Improving your space can reduce distractions without needing too much effort daily.
Hmm, so far everything sounds simple, but also very practical for daily life.
That's the goal. Simple ideas are easier to follow so people can actually use them every day.
I like that. Consistency is more important than complexity because simple habits are easier to repeat regularly. So doing small things daily is better than doing big things only sometimes.
Yes, that's a key principle. Daily effort builds strong results over time, even if progress feels slow.
Oh, I see. So patience is also important when trying to stop wasting time.
Absolutely. Change takes time, so people should not expect immediate results after 1 or 2 days.
That makes sense. But some people may feel bored when progress is slow.
Yes, that can happen, but focusing on the process instead of results can help maintain motivation longer.
I see. So enjoying the daily routine can make it easier to stay consistent.
Exactly. When you enjoy the process, you don't feel like you are forcing yourself all the time.
That's a very helpful idea. It makes everything feel lighter and less stressful.
Yes, and when things feel lighter, you are more likely to continue and build strong habits naturally.
Oh, that's true. So mindset is also important when managing time effectively.
Absolutely. Your thinking shapes your actions, so a positive mindset can improve how you use your time.
So instead of thinking, I must do this, maybe say, I choose to do this.
That's a great example. It gives you a sense of control, which can increase your motivation.
I like that idea. Feeling in control can reduce stress and improve focus during daily tasks.
Yes, control is important because when you feel in charge, you make decisions more clearly and confidently.
So time management is not only about tools, but also about how we think and feel.
Exactly. Tools can help, but your mindset is the foundation of how you use them effectively.
I see. So maybe people should start by changing small thoughts before changing big habits.
That's a very smart approach. Small changes in thinking can lead to big changes in behavior later.
This topic is deeper than I expected. There are many layers to understand clearly.
Yes, and we are still exploring it step by step, so there is more to discuss in detail.
Oh, I'm curious again. What is the next idea we should look at more carefully?
Well, next we can talk about energy levels because time is not the only important factor in productivity.
Energy levels. That sounds interesting because people feel different energy at different times each day.
Exactly. Understanding your energy can help you plan tasks better so you work smarter, not just harder.
Oh, I see. So not all hours are equal, even if everyone has the same amount of time.
Yes, that's right. Using your best hours for important tasks can reduce wasted time significantly.
That sounds really useful. I want to learn more about that in the next part.
Great. We'll continue with that idea and explore practical ways to use your energy wisely.
So, how did you feel about practicing English today? Actually, learning English is much easier than you think. Many people feel scared as soon as they hear the word English, but you don't have to feel that way.
If you want to improve your English quickly, just do one thing. Practice it practically in your real life. For example, when you're about to drink water, just say to yourself, I drink water every day.
If you start using English like this in small moments, you will be fluent in no time.
Well, that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot.
Keep practicing, step by step, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.